In this video, you're going to see how you can use Format Painter in Excel. So let's go ahead and have a look. So the Format Painter feature is not exclusive to Microsoft Excel. It is also available in other Microsoft productivity tools like Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint, and the logic behind the tool is the same. It is used as a copy and paste function, but for formatting only and not for the values. So for example, over here you can see, in one of our previous videos, we had formatted this header row over here, and we had made the background color as blue and then formatted the font and size of text. Especially if you have a large Excel document where you have to streamline the document, then the Format Painter would come in very handy. Now, what if I want to use the same formatting over here and apply it to these columns of min, max, average, and count? Now, the one way I can do it is I can remember which formatting I used over here, what was the color combination, and so on and so forth. Or the other way could be that I can take a sample over here and then just copy the format and paste it over here, right? So that's where we use the Format Painter. So in this row, I just take a sample. Let me just select this cell, that is cell A3, and then click on Format Painter. And as soon as I click on Format Painter, you will see that it has changed to dotted lines over here, running ants, and which means that it has been copied to the clipboard. The format has been copied to the clipboard. And you will also see that with my cursor, there is one more icon of the Format Painter, which means that it is ready to apply to other rows or columns, right? So all I need to do over here is left click on A11. And if I want to apply that to till A14, I will just drag it over here and then leave the left mouse click. And you will notice that the format has been applied. Similarly, if I want to remove the format from cell A12 to A14 and make it, just like the format of A16, all I need to do is select A16 and then click on the Format Painter and apply to 12 to 14. So this is how you can use Format Painter in Microsoft Excel. Why don't you go ahead and try it for yourself, and stay tuned for our next video.